They said it was sci-fi, but it's real. Bionic humans now exist. From Neuralink brain implants to robotic arms that feel and move like flesh, we are witnessing a new chapter in human evolution. This isn't the future. This is 2025. In this exclusive deep dive video, we explore the first Neuralink human implant and what it means for thought-controlled tech, bionic arms, exoskeletons, and retinal implants that restore abilities and enhance them, real stories of cyborg individuals in the USA, UK, Germany, France, and Australia, how AI, prosthetics, and brain-machine interfaces are merging biology with machines, the emotional and ethical dilemma. What does it mean to be human in a machine-merged body? Will the future divide society into natural versus augmented? Who controls the tech? From hope to hacking, empowerment to privacy, this is the bionic revolution. Are we ready? Join us for a mind-expanding journey as we investigate the rise of real-life cyborgs, where technology meets identity. Subscribe to FutureWay for more AI, neurotech, and digital future content every week. Bionic humans, real cyborgs exist now. Welcome back to FutureWay, where science fiction becomes science fact. Today, we dive into one of the most shocking and inspiring evolutions of modern technology. Not something coming in the next decade, but something happening right now. Because real-life bionic humans, actual cyborgs, already walk among us. And they're not just surviving with technology, they're thriving with it. From brain implants to robotic limbs that move with thought, from digital eyes that restore sight to neural chips that decode emotion, we are entering a new era of human enhancement. And the question is no longer, can it be done? But what does it mean to be human when machines live inside us? Let's start where the future met the present. Neuralink. Elon Musk's mind-machine interface project has reached a stage where humans can now control computers with their thoughts. The first successful human Neuralink implant, done in early 25 in the US, allowed a paralyzed patient to move a cursor, type, and even game using only their mind. No keyboard, no mouse, just brainwaves. And that was just the beginning. In the UK, prosthetics have gone beyond basic limb replacement. Companies like Open Bionics are creating hero arms, robotic prosthetics for amputees, controlled by muscle signals and designed with style, speed, and strength. But the real revolution? These limbs now connect directly to the nervous system, giving users not only control, but also sensory feedback. That's right, bionic limbs that can feel heat, pressure, even pain. Welcome to the age of neuro-enhanced humanity. Meanwhile, in Germany, researchers have developed AI-powered retinal implants that help blind individuals perceive shapes, light, and movement. These are not science experiments. They're FDA-approved and already in clinical use. In France, wearable AI neurobands now help stroke victims regain movement and balance by stimulating targeted areas of the brain. And in Australia, exoskeleton suits allow paraplegics to stand and walk again, guided by machine learning that adapts to each user's neural response. But it's not just about healing, it's about enhancing. Athletes are now using neurotech to boost reaction times. Soldiers are being outfitted with augmented vision systems and brainwave synchronization tools. Office workers are wearing EEG headsets to enter deep productivity flow states. This isn't the future. It's the beginning of transhumanism, right now. Let's talk about the emotional side. Imagine losing a limb, your vision, or your ability to walk. Now imagine not only regaining it, but surpassing it. Many bionic humans report something unexpected: identity shifts. Are they fully human? Are they enhanced? Where does flesh end and machine begin? The first Neuralink users have reported a surreal sense of expansion, as if their consciousness is now reaching beyond the body. Some call it digital telepathy, thinking and receiving data instantly, feeling connected to a wider intelligence. Others describe phantom sensations from artificial limbs that feel more real than their original bodies. These emotional shifts are sparking new debates in ethics, psychology, and philosophy. What happens to humanity when machines merge with biology? Are we upgrading ourselves or losing something sacred? Even more importantly, who controls the technology? With Neuralink and similar devices, if your thoughts can operate a device, can a device influence your thoughts? This is the dark mirror of the bionic revolution. Could corporations eventually monitor or manipulate neural data? Could hackers breach brain signals? These aren't conspiracy theories. These are real cybersecurity concerns being discussed at conferences in London, Berlin, and Washington today. But let's not lose the bigger picture. This revolution is not just about control, it's about freedom. For millions of people, bionic tech means a second chance, a life regained, a dream restored. We are empowering individuals with tools once thought impossible and giving the human body a new upgrade path. It's the iOS update, but for biology. And it's moving fast. In the next 5 years, brain implants will help treat depression, anxiety, and even addiction by adjusting real-time neural signals. Prosthetics will reach near-human sensitivity. Thought-to-text will replace typing for the disabled, and eventually, everyone. Memory upload trials will begin, turning sci-fi into clinical testing. But here's the deeper question. What comes after enhancement? Will we divide society into natural and augmented humans? Will insurance only cover basic repairs while the rich buy superhuman upgrades? Will bionic humans be celebrated or feared? As history shows, every revolution starts with awe and ends with controversy. Yet we stand at the edge of evolution, not through centuries, but through code, chips, and circuits. We are rewriting what it means to be human, and you're living through the first chapter. Conclusion: so are we building the next version of humanity, or opening the door to something we can't control? Are bionic humans the hope of tomorrow, or the beginning of post-human identity? Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you upgrade your body if you could? Would you connect your brain to the internet? If this blew your mind, give it a like. Want more mind-bending reality from the AI frontier? Subscribe now to Future Way. And hit the bell, because the next breakthrough won't wait. It's already walking among us. This is not science fiction anymore. This is bionic reality. Welcome to the future.